Electrolysis of molten salts. Learning points. Define. Electrolysis. Describe the movement of ions to the electrodes. State the products of electrolysis for different electrolytes. What is electrolysis? Electrolysis is the breakdown, also known as decomposition, of a compound using an electrical current. What is an electrolyte? An electrolyte is a substance which conducts electricity when molten or in solution. Electrolytes contain free-moving ions which are attracted to the oppositely charged electrodes. The electrodes connect to a DC supply. The cathode. The cathode is the negatively charged electrode in electrolysis. Positively charged ions move towards the cathode. The anode. The anode is the positively charged electrode in electrolysis. Negatively charged ions move towards the anode. Example: calcium chloride. Positively charged calcium ions, 2+, move to the negative electrode, where they gain electrons to form calcium atoms. Negatively charged chloride ions, 1, move to the positive electrode, where they lose electrons, become atoms and pair up to form chlorine molecules. Calcium formed. Chlorine formed. Example: lead bromide. Molten lead bromide is an electrolyte. During electrolysis, positive, 2+, lead ions gain electrons at the cathode and become Pb atoms. Negative, 1, bromide ions lose electrons at the anode and become Br atoms, which pair up to form bromine molecules. Lead forms at the negative electrode and bromine forms at the positive electrode. Lead formed. Bromine formed. Uses of electrolysis. Amongst other things, electrolysis can be used for extracting metals, purifying metals, cleaning metals.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more future educational videos.